Hey everyone, it's Danny here. Welcome to my food blog page titled Danny Feeds Food Blog. As you can see here, this is my homepage here. Just to give a snippet of the food blog page that I've written and how it's brought people and food together, both locally here in Toronto, GTA, where I live, and also abroad as well through my travels and the journey of food in various countries, such as Beijing, such as Vietnam, and also in Peru. So three different countries with so many different diverse food scenes and cultures. So I've written blogs about that, so definitely check it out on my food blog. Here we got an About Me section, so a little bit about myself. Here's obviously me taking pictures of food wherever I go. Just a little blurb about myself. My other passions, also in sports, not only just in food and other hobbies and traveling. And here's also a disclaimer. So this blog is a personal blog written and edited by me. All the content and written work is my own. Okay, so you can read more about that in the disclaimer as well. And here, just want to point out the sidebar here. Got a calendar here, a search bar in case you want to search for some of my blogs. Here's a little blog kind of rule where it gives you, my past blog post here, which I'll show on the next page. Here we got our Facebook and Instagram social media pages as well. Very simple food blog page, not too complex or fancy. Gets straight to the point in terms of what you need in terms of information. So here's the food conversations and adventures blog, and this is where you can see the blogs that I've written, starting with the latest one. Obviously, COVID-19 has had a drastic, change in the world, and also especially here in Canada, with restaurants and businesses being greatly affected in the hospitality industry. So written about that during the COVID and what it meant like to be a foodie, a food blogger, and an influencer during that time. And, the next blog we got here is, my amazing journey to Vietnam. Beautiful country, a lot of great food there, great food scene, great local culture there. It was an amazing time. We read about that. And, going back to my roots, my ethnic background is, Chinese. So my parents are from China. So going back to our roots where, food in Beijing is just amazing. The Peking duck, look at how it's presented nicely on the plate in the shape of a flower. And yeah, you can read about that. And, one of my bucket list items is going to Peru. And I finally made it to Peru in 2018. So written a nice, beautiful blog about the sights and sounds of Peru, including the scene, tourist places, including the food culture as well. So you can definitely read about that. And, talking about food technology and social media, how it's affected, the food scene and the landscape of food and diversity in Toronto. Just a lot of great pictures and how I became a food blogger. We all start from somewhere. You can read about my first blog article about how I became a food blogger and just how it just, my passion for food and photography just came about. Where it just, blossomed into this opportunity to be an influencer and food blogger. So you can definitely read about that and how food, has brought togetherness and conversations on the, table. So yeah, definitely read about my blog. So that is an overview of my blog. Thank you guys for watching. Definitely check it out when you have a chance, and looking forward to hearing what you think. Thank you so much.